airflow in there?
Yes. And that's inch and a quarter,
That's inch and a half.
inch and a half, and then
Two.
this is 2 inch.
See how much more air is flowing through it?
Yeah.
That's why I don't run an inch and a half hose. That's why I run a 2-inch hose direct to the lawn. When you run an inch and a half hose, like this, like I'm connecting to my 2-inch with a barb fitting, they call this a whip, and a lot of carpet cleaners will do this. Because yes, it is wider and it is easier to maneuver, but here's the thing. The machine has what's called lift, inches of water lift. And that is what helps to extract the water and the soil out of the carpet. But you're also reducing your lift when you do this, which means your carpet's going to stay wetter longer, but you're also reducing your cubic feet per minute of airflow. And your cubic feet per minute is what helps clear the water out of the hose back to the machine, and it helps dry your carpets a whole lot faster. So I don't run a 1.5 inch, I run 2 inch all the way to my lawn. But I will do just a little demonstration. We've already pre-sprayed this carpet. I'm doing a rinse pass right now, and then I'll go back. I can feel it as I'm going. My lawn is not sticking to the carpet like it should with a 2-inch hose, which is what you want, because when it's sticking to the carpet, it's actually pulling water back out of the carpet and pulling debris out of the carpet. And when the 2-inch is connected to the lawn, like I normally have, after I do a couple of dry passes, the carpet's almost dry. And right now I'm doing dry passes with a 1.5 inch whip connected, which is a massive choking point of restriction in airflow. So I'm going to do a couple dry passes, and then I'm going to reach down and I'm going to feel the carpet, and it's going to be rather wet still. So I'll disconnect the 1.5 inch and reconnect the 2-inch hose to the one, and I'll go back over this spot just to dry it up real good. Yeah, come feel how sopping wet this is. And you can see it glistening on my hands. It's sopping wet. Go ahead and feel that. Tell me what you think.
Oh yeah, a lot more soaked
Yeah,
with the 1.5.
that's why I don't run 1.5 inch. I'm going to go to the 2-inch. But when I reconnect the 2-inch, I'm just going to run it out and get the job done because the landlord is supposed to be showing up. So I'm going to try to go ahead and just knock it out and try to look professional.